Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set alarm on Android. So for this, search for your clock app first. So this is my clock app. And now you can see I have already set so many alarms on my mobile. So you have by default on your mobile some alarms. So if you go for that one, and you can tap on this time and set your hour from here. If I go for just 6 p.m. AM, and in the minutes if I go for 30, and you can set it's AM or PM, and just go for okay. Now you can set it to vibrate or not. Okay, you can set it for dates, and okay. Now you can set more alarms from here in this plus icon. Okay, in the same process, after that you can turn off it or turn on it. So yeah, that's how you can set alarm on Android. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.